Walking round town in a place I've never been, in the deep, deep Manhattan. I recall it all, your dress on how it falls, you're rolling in deep satin. Won't you call a cab, mister, won't you pay my tab? There's some kids on the curb here making room, and I ain't been home in 3 years or so, and everybody I know's mistaken. Always has friends, starters in cell phones, natural love. You in Manhattan, rolling in deep sand, was a painful and wonderful drug. I've been coming down on a greyhound that is westbound to the sea. When you see the lights, when you hear the rain, there is a chance you're thinking of me. Is that song stuck in your head? Friends of the devil by the day, or is that just what your friends want me to be? 'Cause if that's the case, then that's just what I'll be. Well, hi there, pluckers. Arthur Saw Things again with you with a new song from Bryan called Deep Satin. Okay, standard tuning, no capo, doing it in the same key that he performs the song in. Okay, so this is, I believe, one of those unreleased songs so far, up to date anyway. So let's get to it anyway. So it may not be complete as I'm playing it, so there might be some more bits he's going to put on it or take off it. Anyway, so here we go. This is as I hear it at the present time. So it starts off with the intro, which is F, C, G, A minor, twice way round, okay? But what he's doing is doing this sort of hammering bit, sorry. Right, so what am I doing there? Fingering a simple F, I'm playing the 4th string, then opening up the 3rd string, open and hammering to that 2nd fret, and then hit this 1st on the 2nd, so right, 4th string, open 3rd, hammer to 2nd fret, and then that 1st fret on the 2nd string. Then we play a C chord, hitting the 3rd on the 5th, that one. Open 4th string, hammer to 2nd fret, and then the 3rd string open. Okay, so now you've got. Okay, then you play a G chord, hitting the bottom, the bottom string, 3rd fret. Open 2nd, open 5th to 2nd on the 5th, right? And then the open 4th. So now you've got this. Now we play A minor chord, open A string, and then what I tend to do with this on the first time round is, so I'm playing the open 5th, and then the open 3rd to 2nd, and then the 1st on the 1st, open 3rd to 2nd on the 3rd, and then that 1st on the 2nd. So you got, or you can play a quick chord and then that little riff. 5th string and 4th string sounds quite nice together. Then the open 3rd to 2nd, 1st on the 2nd. So the whole first phrase. Then we basically repeat it again. And this time we just strum the A minor. And then you're into the song. Okay? So hopefully you got that. So very slowly. And the chords for the verse are basically the same. F to C to G to A minor, right? Walking around is a place I've never been, a deep, deep Manhattan. Again, I recall it all, your dress and how it falls, you're rolling in deep Satin. Got it? So right from the beginning. It's very, once you've got the verse and the verse sorted out, that's 90% of the song, then we just got to learn the chorus, and it just mix and match, yeah, more the same. So once again, 2 times around the intro. Walking around in a place I've never been, in the deep, deep Manhattan. I recall it all, your dress on how it falls, you're rolling in deep Satin. Intro once. Next verse, exactly the same as the first with different words. Won't you call a tab, mister, won't you pay my tab? There's kids on the curb making. And I ain't been home in 3 years or so, and everybody knows I'm mistaken. Next verse, or pre-chorus, some people call this a pre-chorus. Frauds, same chords again. Fraudsters, friends, starters, ends, fake cell phones, actual love. You in Manhattan, rolling deep into Satin, painful and wonderful drug. Quick strum and stop on that, okay? And then there's a bit of a pause, and then it goes into the chorus, okay? So right from the beginning to the end of that third verse, or pre-chorus, whatever you want to call it, okay? So 2 lots of intro. Walking around town in a place I've never been, deep, deep Manhattan. I recall it all, your dress on how it falls, you're rolling in deep Satin. Intro. Next verse. Won't you call a cab, mister, won't you pay my tab? There's my kids on the curb leaving, and I ain't been home in 3 years or so, and everybody knows I'm mistaken. Pre-chorus or third verse. Throws of friends, starters, ends, cell phones is factual love. You in Manhattan, rolling in deep Satin, was a painful and wonderful drug. I've been coming down on a great town. And it goes into the chorus, okay? Drug. I've been coming down on a great. Right, so this is C. I've been coming down on a great G. Brown. That is A minor, westbound to the F, C. Okay, so it's I've been coming down on a great town. That is westbound to the C. Repeat the same chords again. When you see the lights, when you see the rain, there is a chance thinking of me. And again, is that song stuck in your head? Friend or devil by the dead? Oh, same again, or is it just friends want me to be? Again, cause if that's the case, then that's just what I'll be. And then we've got an instrumental break, which is just the same chords again as the chorus. C to G to A minor to F twice. And then basically it just starts more verses and more choruses, okay? So same words actually. It's verse 1, you just repeat verse 1, then you do another chorus, and then there's a very long instrumental, okay? But you've got everything you need there to play the actual song itself, okay? The instrumental break is just C, G, A minor and F. again the long break. Okay, so there you have it. So it's the chorus again. I've been coming down, right now, it's westbound to the sea. When you see the lights, when you hear the rain, there ain't a chance you're thinking of me. Is that song stuck in your head, and your devil by the day? Or is that just what your friends want me to be? 'Cause if that's the case, then that's just what I'll be. Instrumental break. Then off into another verse and another chorus, etc, etc. Thanks very much for watching this thing. Hope that made sense to you, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.